Okay, so I'm going to find out how we enable to get our UDID from any iPhone. We first need to launch iTunes. If you don't know how to do that, then obviously just go to Spotlight, type iTunes. I think in the latest updates they've called it Music, so just double click that and this will appear. Simply plug in your lightning cable that's connected to your laptop into your phone. Once you do so, your phone should appear in the bottom left. Click on that and you shall see a few details underneath the iPhone description itself. If you click or keep clicking in here, you'll notice it alternates. And now the one you want is this one here, UDID. In order to get this number so you don't have to write it down or type it out, simply right click, press copy UDID, and then we can paste that into an email or WhatsApp or what have you and send it on. So there we go, and we have it.